अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट, आपकी दोस्त एंजलाई। आज हम बात करेंगे प्रोजेक्ट पे। Get Lawnpool, Nor Editing, Xlibris, ES, taking BTC, ETS, ES to earn rewards delivered in real time. Two hundred 230 USDT UTC 40308 views. Eclipse ES will be launchpad on Get Launchpool, stake BTC ETH ES to earn ES token reward every horse. Airdrop details taking pro, period July 16, 2025 at 10.00, July 26, 2025 at 10.10.0.0 USDT. Total staking rewards 990.00 ES. ES. Eclipse is Ethereum for Solana Virtual Machine VSVM L2 point Equilibrium combines the best pieces of the metal staking with Ethereum Solidity. SVM accelerated and clipping for data availability. Each layer of acceleration achieved the best is class and competing result in unpalatable performances. Xlibris is backed by leading investor in calculating placeholder VSDBA play chain traffic and profile as well as indicated leaders indicated Mustafa Al Bisma accredited C truncated currently report VS Control Yakno को सालाना Noor Sharwani Chito Latigo are Santos Trophies run Vaticans Senesis Halls plus Flesh Sports and others. Start time 2025 7 6 15.0000 and time 2025 7 7 26 50.000 ending in 6 days for 18.58. Project Introcation. Total staking reward 500.00 ES. Mining period 10 days. Total rewards 990.000 ES. Total staking 2.400.12804.271 BTC. Participating 3.322. Price pool horse cap 2.083.33 ES. Individual horse reward cap 83.33 ES. APR 2.25%. Individual staking cap VIP 10 BTC. Get launch pool MCQs. What is the Get Launch Pool? Get Launch Pool is any individual staking and airdrop platform where user can stake GT, BTC, ETH, USD, or other tokens to earn horse airdrop of port and new coins with low entry budgets and high APR. It is the unlimited platform for infrastructure capturing market opportunity. Question number two: how can participate is Get Launch Pool? First, logging into your Get account and negative to the Get Launch Pool page. Then close the project you want to participating in and stake your asset. Check the participate guide. Question number three: what coins can I stake in Get Launch Pool? The tokens eligible to participating will be annotated on the mining page of each project. Please visit the prospecting page of Get Launch Pool to view more details. Question number four: how many tokens will be rewarded? Only the staking reward individual letters one horse Valid staking amount, total pool staking amount, or a reward pool. The platform will stake multiply snapshot of personal staking amount each host and take the average staking amount as the valid staking amount. Question number 5. Our rewards distributed. The platform will stake multiply snapshot of personal staking amounts, holdings, and token reward are distributed to eligible users. Only earnings will be distributed into a user spot accounts. Hello Zoni, how are you dear? Question number 6. When will the stake it asset be remitted? After the user admit in advance of the staking is completing the stake it asset will be transferred to simple and by difficult. If this operating is unchecked, the staking asset will be remitted into spot asset. If the amount of remitted asset is too simple and does not meet the minimum claim amount of simple and the asset will be automatically transferred to spot asset. If simple and does not support the claim of the redeeming token, the asset will also be automatically transferred to spot asset. Question number 7. Can I remit to staking asset at any time? You can increase your staking asset at any time. The more tokens you stake, the credit your partner mining rewards. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will not receive staking rewards. Question number 9. Can I participate in multiplayer project at the come time? Alan Angel, thank you so much. Where there are multiple launch pool project going at the come time. You can stake in different pools to receive to now talk with many mining rewards for multiplayer project. Each staking pool needs to be stake strategic. If you can only staking and sit in pool A, you will not be able to operating rewards from pool B. You can stake pool A and pool B is prioritated to obtain the prospecting mining rewards of now tokens. Question number 10. What is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The hourly reward art cap per user of each project is different. Once the cap is received, now future staking rewards will be created. Please refer to the relieved and documented or the mining page of for the reward hard cap limited from each project. Question number 11 is taking asset in the get launch pool impacted by VIP level. No asset staking in the get launch pool will be included in the asset holdings collection of holder airdrop launch pool and VIP privilege. Question number 12. What will happen to my funds if the project is ending early? In case of early ending, your staking principal will be automatically admit as can the project is ending and your last internet will be distributed on the host after the end time. The internet distributed before the ending will not be updating. About annual percentage rate APR. 1. Question number 1. When the reward coin is the stake coin, APR total reward reflected in the last or total staking plus 365 plus 24 plus 100%. 2. Question number 2. When the reward coin is not the staking coin, APR plus total rewards resided in the last horse as closing price of the reward coin of the last horse total staking plus closing price of the staking coins of the last horse plus 365 plus 24 plus 100%. And the APR is any asymmetric and for reference only. The actual annualized return you finally receive shall prevail APR data is updating or unlock it rules 100% unlock. Get launchable always use it to staking and you can stake your asset before the project of Epicus launches earning you stake start earning reward unlimited once mining begins. Rewards distribution. The system will distribute token reward to user spot accounts every horse based on the partition of asset token by each user. Get launchable FAQ. How to participating. Log into your Get account and complete individual verification negative to launch pool holder at last 0.00001 BTC, 0.0003 ETH, 0.2 ES. Click stake. Exclusive staking limited privilege from VIP user. VIP 5 and above user enjoy exclusive staking limited when participating in launch pool with up to 15% staking limited horse. VIP level ETH pool maximum staking amount per user. BTC pool maximum staking amount per user. VIP 0, VIP 4, 300 ETH, 10 BTC, VIP 5, 450 ETH plus 50%, 15 BTC plus 50%. VIP 6, 600 ETH plus 100%, 20 BTC plus 100%. VIP 7, 780 ETH plus 160%, 26 BTC plus 160%. VIP 8, 1.020 ETH plus 2 plus 20 plus 240%. For 5 BTC plus 530%. VIP 10, VIP 16, 1.800 ETH plus 500%. 60 BTC plus 500%. Project information. Eclipse is Ethereum for Solana virtual machine VSVM L2. Eclipse combines the best price of the mutual staking with Ethereum Solidity. SVM acceleration and candle exclusive for data availability is lower of Eclipse and Accelerator is best is class of combined result is Andro and sortable performances. Eclipse is backed by leading investors devaluated placeholder VS VS DPA play giant triple and prefill as well as indicator leaders indicating Mustafa Al Bisma Al Acceleratron Chatter Criminality Robert P.S. and Doctor Yagno Velana Solana and Sir Husna Sharvin Jito Snatico are Centos Prefill and Vaticans the nested horse Flashboard and other website https www.xlibase.xyz. Not get launch pool is any validated and negative staking and airdrop platform where user can stake GT, BTC, ETH, USDT or other staking tokens and to earn only airdrop of hot and new coins. With low entry barriers and high APR, it is the unlimited platform for infiltrators capturing market rings. To please complete independent verification before participating is launchable into any cases to the security of your accounts and assets. 3. Please adhere to the relative rules of the event when participating. Any cheating behaviors in prohibited and increases of any district will result in the of the rewards for where any discrepancies errors between the translated verification and the original English version. The English version shall prevail. 5. Get receivers all rights of the final explanations. 6. This event is not affiliated with Apple Inc. 7. User in the unlimited candy DOM and other registered location cannot access the service indicated. The participating is this event game of complete competition See the user agreement form filter details on refrigeration locations. Get labels labs in the investment disclosures warning. The project team does not guarantee that token price will not be lower than its invalidated sale price. Please invalidate the invest quotation and those invasive behind your finalist capital. Two, the crypto project is settled in it is negative stake. Backstory indicated the obligated and enduring technology of the project and other result locality activates mind and contributed into single African risk. The advantage technology of finally can alerted in locality to understand it and evaluate it in the intricate risk of crypto asset investment. For the market is high in the and the price of a token by fixed period discredited to technology, locality, and marketing factory. 5. User might not be able to withdraw all the precious head tokens due to technology issues of the project or get team July 16, 2025. Gateway to crypto trader over 3.600 cryptocurrency self clarity and easily and get Task activate now, sync up and claim up to $10.00 in welcome rewards. Invalidated funds and earn a 14% commission. Stake cannot take. Visit Get official website. Download the Get app. Follow use can X Twitter to get more bonus and join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics and thinking with all global cumulated for the last insulated transparency and the security check are 100% proof of receivers. Get launch pool and FAQ. What is the get launch pool? Get launch pool a negative staking and airdrop platform where users can stake GT, and ETH, USDT, or other tokens to earn horse airdrop of fort and now coins with low entry prices and high APR. It is the unlimited platform for capital market operations. Launch pool, quick staking and protocol to tokens. 3 to 8.1 millions, 31.48 billions. Funders received 5.85 billion participating 530.7k and estimated total rewards. What is the launch pool? Launch pool is a platform where user can stake their asset for private in locality to earn rewards. Is new project token user can lock tokens in the launch pool to receive prospecting prodding project tokens with rewards. Join launch pool now. Welcome, Sotu. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Question number 2. How can a participate is launch pool? First, log in to your get accounts and in negative to the launch pool page. The choice the project you want to participate is and stake your asset. Get user 5T, welcome. Question number 3. What coins can I stake is launched for pool? The tokens equivalent from participating will be allocated to on the mining page of each project. Please visit the prospecting page of Launchpool to view more details. Question number 4. How many tokens will be rewarded? All staking rewards indicated last 1 hours in valid staking amount to total pool staking amount. Early reward pool system will tell Dark Snapchat of individual staking amount each hour and stake and average is the validated staking. Amount. Question number 5. How are reward distributed? System will stake Snapchat of individual staking amount and distributed tokens. Reward to earnable user hourly in earnings will be distributed into user spot accounts. Question number 6. After when will the staking set be remitted after the user remits in advance or the staking to is completing? The staked asset will be transferred to simple and by different. If this opt-in is launched chat, the staking asset will be remitted into sports asset. If the amount of remitted asset into is too simple and those not meet the minimum subscription amount of simple and the asset will be automatically different to spot asset. Get user AE, welcome joining my live stream. If simple and does not spot the certificate of the Redmond token, the asset will also be automatically different to spot asset. Question number 7. Can I redeem by staking asset at any time? The system will take multiply snapshot of personal staking amount each hour and calculate it to valid staking amount. Thank you so much joining my live stream. Get user. Every implementation might result in the post in the loss of increased reward. Please in mining staking stable staking amount of earned mining rewards. Question number 10. What is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The holy reward had kept by user of each project is different. Once the cap is reached of return staking rewards will be granted. Please refer to the relative and submitted or the mining page for the reward had kept limited from each project. Question number 11. Will staking sit in the launch pool pay it my VIP level? No, I said staking is get launch pool will be included in the asset holding calculation for holder airdrop, launch pool, and VIP behaviors. Thank you so much joining my live stream. आज आज का प्रोजेक्ट बस यही था। फिर मुलाकात होगी एक नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ। थैंक यू सो मच जॉइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। दुआओं में याद रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज, टेक केयर।